That wind picks up out there though. Can you get your finger in there?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome to our first video for the Battle of Clinch 6. And today we're going to show you just about everything that can go wrong within the first hour of a milsim.
Oh, yeah. Walking.
Chris, we got Op 4 watching us on the hill at your vehicle 7 o'clock.
To put this whole game into perspective, this is a multi-AO op. It provided over 400 acres to play and maneuver on. So we're playing as SF-803, which is attached to the National Guard forces. Our first objective is to set up a bivouac at peak and observe enemy movement and try to locate the enemy leader. We did bring our own personal transport vehicle, but unfortunately those shuttles that we were provided were either used up or not of use at the time. And being that we're in enemy territory, we found it best to get the rest of the National Guard forces from camp into play as quickly as possible to help secure the road and deter the enemy movement. So I left my saw with the boys and I headed back to camp.
Hey, on thorns in my 12. Huh? Thorns. Watch up, scan. I'm trying to get a quiet here. Did we get the saw up? Yeah. Alright, so honestly, we might have to set up a fucking OP right here for the time being. We don't have to deploy the tent. But if we set up something right here, then move on foot through this brush and shit up through here slowly. I think the tan general's up there still.
He's over there on that hill.
Oh, he's on that hill now?
Two trees. Red tree with the hollow out knot in it. The sniper's at the base.
Well, we can maneuver around.
Technical coming down the road.
Oh, what the f? This is a mess on this side.
803 looking for a stress rep. Any number of any force on a pass. 20 plus, 12 on the road, about 10 to 12 up on the hillside on the left side of the road.
Hey, turn your mic off. Turn your radio off. You hear that? I don't know if it was the wind. Hang on, that's inhale. That's a negative on our position. Guys at our 12. We need to move. Follow me. Hey, go that way, go that way, go that way. Hey, grab his gun, go that way. I can handle the bag.
Turn and go, turn and go. Let's go, guys.
Blaine, if I have to come back for that LMG, I will. Chris, we are in a tick right now. Stand by. Hi, Blanc.
Good?
I'm about to be.
Yeah, boy.
Damn!
Get out here, go, go. Oh, he doesn't have a fucking battery set up.
Fuck.
Keep moving.
The tent?
Huh?
Tent.
I never had it.
Oh,
Hang on, bro. Chris f***ed me. Dude. Hey, Blaine. Well, make a fighting position, dude. Chris's fucking saw isn't working.
My suppressor came off.
This is all dicked up already.
Me and Jacob are walking up the hillside now.
We're off to a rough start, but I made my rounds and I was able to link up with the rest of the guys. Our friendlies were able to score a great kill on the enemy advancing vehicle, and the enemy leader's been spotted at the next roadblock, not far from us.
There's a friendly unit coming up behind us. Make sure they know we're here so they do not shoot at us. We need to get up there and support that truck soon. We got a troop element below us as well to help. Hey, we got 6 up here. All right, Stan, you're last man.
Some shit up, boys.
Where's the, we got the multicam bag up here too?
Yeah.
Okay. We gotta go that way real quick and look for Stan's,
I got it.
oh, you found it?
Yeah.
All right, ready? Hey, are we staying in?
I'll put the battery. We're gonna walk the roadside, so we're not on here.
The enemy leader is now in sight, and all of National Guard forces are advancing quickly. I decided to take a quick need to assess my gun, make sure that battery is in, make sure it was firing before heading out.
Oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? I'm trying to stuff here. Nope. It was just working. Of course I take it out here and it stops. Man. Me, dude. I'm gonna have to go back. Just
right there. I think they're moving to engage.
try to catch up with them and I'll meet back up with you guys. Alright, I'll be back.
Roger, Stan and I broke off. We're taking a goat trail, running parallel to the rest of the group.
We still got friendly up here too, up on the hill. All right, guy behind the power box is down. All right, you want to start pushing?
Roger, Stan and I are moving.
If we can capture and apprehend Rob Hamilton, who is the CO for the Op 4, that is our primary for the day.
Alright, roger that.
Is that not the other side's commander right there? Yeah. Right there. That's the Op 4 commander. That's the dude that was sitting right across from us and said, I'm gonna go and leave y'all to it. Oh, do we capture it? Yeah, but do we capture it? We're just gonna take your body? Can we just take your body? We're supposed to capture you? Dead or alive?
Task Force CF and the remaining National Guard managed to push directly through, and in the hail of BBs, the enemy commander was taken out. He's dead, so we can't actually take him back, but we were awarded half points, but who's counting? Most of the National Guard forces are black on ammo, but we're good, seeing as we didn't get any action there, so we decided to pull forward and see what we can find.
Don't go. Set. Hey, stand. Medic yourself in. Keep going. You gotta wait for stand. Set. Keep going, keep going. Go, go. J-Ray. Chris, come in. Oh.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Chris, come in.
Yo, man, do you copy?
Yeah, we just had to do a heavy bound under contact. We're still pushing forward. Be mindful of the opposite side of the road of you, where you see Hillbilly Sniper. There's a bunch of dudes over there.
Copy. The task force that came with us, I see them on the hillside. They're all getting hit here on the roadside.
I'm looking at a lot of heads looking at me, brother. They just can't shoot me.
This uphill shit is bullshit.
Hey, Josh.
Yeah, I'm about it.
Black on ammo.
Are you? Okay. We've got our squad. I just had to go change my gun.
Yeah.
Our squad's a bit of like right here.
After we died, they pushed ahead.
Oh, okay.
But we're getting tagged all from over there.
They ought to be pretty far up there by now.
Yeah.
Sorry,
Quite a few.
We're gonna.
are y'all all down right now here, or?
Yeah, we're all on the black and ammo.
Gotcha. Link up.
We've been fighting through here to get it open.
Good shit, good shit.
That wood line, we're on the opening past it. Mind you, stay far right. You're gonna take contact from the left side of the road.
Yeah, all right. So I'm gonna pull past and cut immediate right.
For you, check. This OP spot, we will have to move mobile respawn at some point.
Yo, enemy just pushed around across the street. One guy just went over.
Up towards us?
No, he's just trying to move in on the road. I'm gonna try to get him real quick before I move to you guys. Yeah, you guys are just to my right. They just pulled up a little dune buggy thing and they dropped like 1 or 2 more guys off. They're on the right side of the road, so our side of the road.
Hey, we just had 4 across the road. Hey, come down on this right side. They don't know we got y'all behind me. All they see is me right now, I think. Medic, medic.
They are pushing all around me here.
Medic, medic.
I mean, I couldn't see him. I fired like 10 shots.
Blind fire there.
Blind? What are you talking about, man?
You couldn't see me, don't blind
I could see you. I'm saying I didn't see you call anything.
You good? Hey, just be one. There's one right here. Dead man coming out.
Hit! Yo. Huh? I don't know right now, man. I can't see shit through this brush.
Taking it? He's taking it. Yeah. So you're gonna try and sneak away, or should I try and shoot you with my sidearm to execute? You going to respawn? All right. Hit.
Enemy forces started laying on extra thick at the end. majority of us were taken out. There's only 3 that remain. But during this push, the enemy forces suffered a heat casualty, which we had to pause the game. It did allow for everybody to reset. We were able to push back out, which you'll be able to find in the next video. We thank you again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.
Hey, yo, they'll send you home if you take your afro off. Yo. Yeah, they said they send you home if you take your afro off.